Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Abode automation scenes before migrating controllers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Abode automation scenes before migrating your controllers, start by accessing the Abode app on your device. Log in using your credentials to ensure you are connected to your home system. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab within the app. Look for the section labeled Scenes where all your current automation scenes are listed. Select the scene you wish to back up first. Open the details of the selected scene to view its settings. Take note of the scene name, triggers, and any corresponding actions. Write down these details manually or take screenshots for easy reference. Repeat the process for all automation scenes you want to back up. If your Abode system offers an export feature, consider using it to streamline the process. Check the app's help section or FAQ for specific instructions on exporting data, if available. After backing up all scenes, prepare for the migration of your controllers. Ensure that you have the new controllers ready for setup. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for connecting the new controllers to your Abode system. Once the new controllers are set up, return to the Abode app and navigate back to the Automations tab. Start creating new scenes based on the details you previously recorded. Manually input the triggers and actions for each scene as you go. Confirm that each newly created scene functions correctly by testing them. After verifying that the migration has been successful, you can delete the old scenes if desired. Regularly back up your scenes in the future to prevent data loss during any updates or migrations. With your scenes successfully backed up and migrated, your home automation system will be ready for seamless operation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.